Hello again, Mr. RG Stuff here. Just a very quick video today. This is my second improvement onto the cylinder phonograph that I built, and basically what I've done is I've added a sensor here so that basically instead of me having to manually move the tone arm carriage with a button, it does it itself. So if I just get it going. So I've got a button here. This is a sensor on-off button, so make sure that's on. And then if I pick this up and move it, you should see that basically whenever the arm is dragged into the cylinder like so, it moves it or moves the carriage along to try to keep up. And I've done some experimentation with how fast it needs to move it, and also I've adjusted the current on the TMC 2208 down here, because this stepper driver or stepper motor was getting really very hot, and I hadn't actually adjusted the current setting, so it's running much cooler now. So I'm not going to do a whole cylinder just at the minute. I am going to upload a cylinder recording hopefully very shortly, but just for this video I'm going to set the cylinder going, and then set the tone arm to the beginning of the record. The rewind's not perfectly quiet, but it is reasonably quiet. And you should see that basically the rear carriage is moving of its own accord, because basically as the stylus is being dragged into the grooves of the record, it's taking this metal tab into this sensor here. This is an infrared optical sensor. It's breaking the light beam, and the signal is going back to the Arduino. Every time the beam is being broken, this light here comes on, and it drives the motor a little bit, and it just keeps doing that. So it doesn't matter actually whether this is a 2-minute cylinder or a 4-minute cylinder, it will advance it at the correct rate. And you should also notice that it's quite quiet. Not perfectly quiet, but quite quiet. And you may even be able to hear the audio recording from the cylinder. I mean, I can hear it, but then I know what's on it, so it helps. This is running at 160 RPM, so this cylinder is being played at the correct speed. Okay, well I think that's enough of that. Right, just take it back a bit there. So this is very similar to the arrangement I used on my linear tracking record player. It's all new parts, or all different parts I should say, but it's the same basic idea. So anyway, that's going to make it much easier to use, and as I said, I'm going to upload another cylinder very shortly as well. Okay, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff. Thank you.